welcome to another video of campers.eu. In this video we're going to talk about this camper van, the SpaceCamper Classic Plus. And we're very excited that we are the new dealer for the Netherlands of this great brand. And I want to go over this camper van in this video. This camper van is great because of three things. It's your daily car, it's your transporter van, and it's your camper van. So first off, your daily car. The SpaceCamper Classic Plus is based on the Ford Tourneo and the Volkswagen Caravelle base vehicles. And those are the same chassis and they share the same engines. And why is this a great daily car? Now, because it's a 5-meter long vehicle, so it's very short and still offers a lot of interior space. Next to that, it's just above 2 meters, but SpaceCamper can get it below 2 meters if you would like to, if you need it for your parking garages. It's a modern vehicle, it's just been released, so you have all your modern equipment like adaptive cruise control, a lane assist and blind spot monitoring, 360 degrees cameras. Everything is possible in this configuration, which is great. For the Netherlands, we focus on plug-in hybrids because we think this is a great solution here for the Netherlands with all our taxes. So in the plug-in hybrid system, it's a 2.5 petrol engine combined with an electric motor and an 11 kilowatt-hour battery that can give you up to 60 kilometers of range on full electric mode. And with that, you have a vehicle that can go into every city. You can go, you don't have to be afraid of diesel in the future. And I think for the Netherlands, this is a great solution. So in the back here, every SpaceCamper Classic Plus has a 3-seat band in the back. So you can sit comfortably with 3 people, in total with 5 with the people up front. And you have ISOFIX in the rear as well, so for your children. As you can see, it's really spacious and you have enough leg room. And here in the back, there's a lot of space for all your belongings. So this basically is a car you can use every day, comfortably. So, second point is that it's a transport van. SpaceCamper designed this vehicle in such a way that almost everything is removable. So take these parts here in the rear, you can just take it out and put it in your garage and have some extra space. They've designed a special floor which is soft and easy to clean out. And even the rear bench, which you can take out easily. So in this way, this is only 12 kilos. You can take the backrest, the seat and the drawers out and you have a completely open space to store whatever you need to do for moving stuff or put in your bikes or whatever. So a transport van. Third, camper van. And I think the most important one, because SpaceCamper designed a camper van that's very unique and very different from what you normally see. So let's come and check it out. So when we go inside, you have your 3-seater bench like I explained, but this is also the fastest way to create a bed. Look at this, 2 hinges, I flip it down and my bed is made. And this bed is 2 meters long, 135 centimeters in width, and I can even extend that to a width of 150. The mattress is almost 10 centimeters thick, so this has really been designed for people who love a good night of sleep. Because everything is, you can take it out, you can easily reach stuff underneath your bed. And if you flip it back, you have your seat back. Underneath the bench, you have 2 big drawers, which you can also take out and fill in at home and just put it back. And gives you tons of space. You have a fridge of 40 liters down here, which you can access from outside and from inside. And in here you have the unique kitchen unit that they've designed. You have your water tap and there's a 1-burner hob inside the sink, which you can use to make a coffee or whatever. You can also flip this outside if you have it open to have a little table on the outside. In here is your cabinet with storage where you can put your utensils and whatever. But this little door can transform into a table. And look, I didn't move my feet, I didn't have to move my legs. I can just open it up, flip it over and have a table here. I can work from here. I don't have a leg on the table, so there's still a lot of space, which I think is really, really smart. We flip it back. I have access to everything in there. But that's not all. Every SpaceCamper Classic comes with 2 sliding doors, which means we can use this sliding door to flip the kitchen unit to the outside. There we go. Come with me. So now we're here in the forest in the Netherlands. It's beautiful weather and you don't want to sit inside. You want to go camping. You want to be outside. So again, we just flip this lid open. I have my water tap in my sink and I can take my burner out and put it over here. The table that I just showed you now turns into a workspace for cutting stuff, your vegetables. But now you have only 1 burner and you want to enjoy a good meal, so you need 2 more. We've got you covered. Look at this. You flip this open, it clicks in place, and just that easy, you have 2 extra burners for you to enjoy the outdoors. And the great thing is, we can take this whole unit out and put it somewhere underneath a tree if there's a better place if you want to go cook some meal. The tailgate is open. This is a great place. This is shelter for maybe if there's a little bit of rain, and there's tons of storage underneath the bed. Like I said, every unit you can take out so that you can easily access to your stuff underneath here. But they've come up with drawers as well. So this is a 60 centimeter drawer, and they also offer a 40 centimeter drawer. And on those drawers, your Euro boxes fit on there. So you can fill them up at home, put them in place, and have your extra storage easily accessed. They've designed their own covers, and these covers are great because I can use this as well to cut stuff here. I can access everything that's in my box, and even underneath the box there's still some storage. So in this case, my little seat, and now I can use this cover again to have a table and drink my coffee here. And I can extend the table if I put more of these. Flip everything back. But there's more. There's an outside shower. I can use this for normal, just wash my hands, but I can also take it out and use it as a real shower from the outside. And the water is clever as well. It's not, you don't fill it up from the side. You have 3 jerry cans of water, each 13 liters, which you can easily take out, go to the restroom, find a place to put in some water and put it back. And I have this one filled here, and it has a heating element as well. And with the heating element, I can heat up the water, so I have a warm shower. Quite clever, I think. So let me show you the bed down below. You can see how big and wide it is. It's 2 meters long, 135 in width, and there's a clever thing they did. This is your cabinet full of storage. But if I want more sleeping space and I'm okay with less storage, take this cushion out, pull this red strap, and put the whole cabinet to the side and fill it up with the cushion. Now my bed is 150 in width. But if you have more people spending the night, there's an extra bed up here in the pop top, which you can easily pull down and access. SpaceCamper offers you a lot of options if it comes to power. You can have solar panels, lithium batteries, and even if you opt for the Ford version, you can have the Ford Pro onboard option, which uses the energy from the battery pack from the vehicle to power stuff like your Nespresso. You have up to 2300 watts of power, so plenty enough for your laptop, coffee machines and whatever you have. SpaceCamper offers a lot of options for you to choose from, like this great tent. You can easily fix this to the rear tailgate just by connecting a few little hooks, and you have a separate place to change or to just take your shower.